Hi YouTube, Chuck's back. Just going to give a yell out to Brett, who is one of my subscribers, and I'm also a subscriber of his channel. If you find, he's got a response here that you can find his channel. He is a really cool dude. He's done a really good job of making a charger-discharger circuit. Now, one question I wanted to ask Brett, I had to get 10 of these made up. Hopefully that's not a bad thing, Brett. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 2, maybe 3. Don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the boards. They cost me an arm and a leg, but yeah, I didn't realise until I'd ordered them. But yeah, I'm probably going to have at least a good 6 left over. These boards. Not sure how much I'd sell them for, whether I would sell them, whether Brett would let me. Yeah, I'd have to talk to him about it. Anyway, he's from New Zealand and he's done this wonderful job of making the circuit board. Now, Brett, I've got these TP boards for charging. I'm wondering whether you want the 2-port or could I use the single chip boards on these? That was a question I wanted to ask because I have thousands of these. These are everywhere around the place. Anyway, yeah, so I'd say a lot of you have seen me using this setup here that I made. It's a bit of a mess. There's my son there, don't worry about that. And a long time ago. And yeah, so I'm going to put this together when I get all the parts. I've got the power supply. I've got all these already to put in, which I might start soldering them in. But yeah, all up, I'm wondering if there's any interesting things I need to know about. But if you want to build one of these, go over to Brett's channel, and Brett's got all the information over there. And make sure you thank him. I'm thanking him right now for doing a wonderful job at this circuit board. And yeah, subscribe to him, and if you'd like, subscribe to me as well, because I'm doing a build as well. And yeah, leave me a comment below if you're interested in doing this build. It's quite a good thing. I got all these through JCL. Here's JCL. JLC, I mean. There's my dyslexia. Anyway, yeah, so give me a comment, leave a comment below. I'm going to replace that with this. And if I do 2 of them, that'll do me 16 at a time. So I'll be able to do more batteries and get the batteries completed quicker. Anyway, that's it from me. Talk to you soon. Bye.